So this is 2 days after Winnie came out of her crate on her own. Now I take the crate away for just a little bit during the day and put a crib mattress in her place. And now she walks around quite comfortably, checking things out. Hi Stella, honey, I love you. The cat tried to play with her this morning and she kind of ran away in a silly way. She wasn't afraid, but she didn't know what to do. She knows how to eat out of her bowls now. When she came in, she didn't quite understand it. But she just walks around pretty relaxed, checking things out. And is a pretty happy girl. Winnie. Winnie. Should we get a treat? She's learning the word treat. Come here. Come here, Win. Look what I have. Winnie.